Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today we will discuss about palindrome string. So you are given a string S. Your task is to determine if the string is a palindrome or not. A string is considered a palindrome if it reads the same forwards and the backwards. At first we need to know what is the palindrome. So a string is said to be a palindrome if the string read from left to right is equal to the string read from right to left. Okay, so in that case, take race car. If you read the race car from left to right or right to left, it's equal. And if you choose the madam, it's also from the left to right and the right to left, the string is equal. Label is also palindrome and 1 to 3 to 1 is also palindrome. So in that case we can say a string is palindrome if the string read from left to right is equal to the string read from right to left. Okay, so there have a two string, one is the race car and another is the race. So what is the string size of the race car? String size of the race car is the 7. Okay, so how can I get the size? There have a stl string name dot size. There have a size method. Okay. So in that case, we can say if we read it from the left to right, from the left to right, or if we read in from the right to left. So both case we just got the race card. Okay, but in that case if we read it from the left to right it race, and if we read from the right to left it is ECAR. So in this case we can say this breaks the rule of palindrome. So this is not a palindrome but this is a palindrome. Okay, so here string size is 4. So there have two approach. Okay, at first to find the or check the string is palindrome or not, we go through the first approach first. Okay, take approach 1. Okay, so we get a string. At first this is the given string. Okay, this is the given string S. If we reverse it, so we just read from the right to from the left to right. So if the string is the main string, we read it from the left to right, and another reverse string. So we if and we need to read the string from the right to left. Okay, so in that case we can say this is nothing but a reverse string. Okay, so just reverse it. If your main string equal to your reverse string, in that case we can say this is your palindrome. Okay, this is your palindrome. So this is palindrome, but in that case your main string is the race. Okay, if you reverse it, E here, C here, A here, R here, so this is does not equal to your main string. So in that case we can say this is not a palindrome. Okay, so this is not a palindrome. So what is the time complexity here? So at first we need to find out the reverse of the string. So here time complexity is big O n for the reverse, and what is the phase complexity? This is the big O 1. Okay, and approach 2 we go through the via in place order, in place check. Okay, so in that case we just take two pointer, one pointer at the starting index, another pointer is the ending index. If your starting pointer value equal to your ending pointer value, then we can say this is on the correct order. Okay, so then increment the starting order and decrement the your ending index. Okay, so your starting index or starting pointer or your ending index, this is So ending pointer, so this also same. So in that case, just increment the starting pointer, here decrement the ending pointer. Here c and c also same, so just increment the starting pointer and decrement the ending pointer. In that case, equal to a, so that case starting pointer go here and ending pointer go here. So this is your ending pointer, this is your starting pointer. When your, so we just traverse until s less than equal to e. But if it breaks this condition, so in that case we just break the loop. Okay, so for the case race, starting pointer is here, ending pointer is here, your starting pointer value, ending pointer value does not equal to match. So in that case we can say this is not palindrome. Okay, and this is palindrome. Okay, so what is the time complexity here? So we just visit each and every element of the string. So big O n, this is the time complexity, and what is the space complexity? This is big O of 1. Okay, and okay, this is big one. So let's do the code. Okay, so here at first what we'll do, via approach to, so via approach to, there have a race car. Okay, just go take two pointer. Okay, int start one pointer, this is start 0, and int another pointer, s dot size last index. Okay, and this is while start less than equal to end or start less in, as your wish. So what is the breaking point, or this is start less than, sorry, what is the, does not equal to ascent if your starting value and the ending value does not match, so then return false, means this is not palindrome. Okay, and other case, if match, then start plus plus and minus minus, and if all go past or all are right position, in that case return true, because your string is palindrome. What's the case? If your start is, your end is here and your start is here, so in that case we can say this is our palindrome. So we just compile and run, and all test cases are passed. So let's check the hidden test cases. Yeah, all problems solved successfully, all test cases are passed. So I think you enjoyed this lecture, so see you in the next video.